Hi, I'm Daniel Burke from Wildwood Cabinets. I'm here to talk about our recently acquired software, WebCab, with the production assistant. We're very pleased with our purchase thus far. It's been almost 7 months, I believe, that we've implemented. We've seen tremendous difference in our logistics of controlling parts. The team has really caught on to the software. Basically, it's helped them tremendously, and like any other software, there's always kickback from people, but we've found it very a seamless operation to put in place. So the team at WebCab, Jonathan, Charles, they're are great to work with. They've been there all along to implement this, always available in our questions, and provide valuable information to help us make the right decisions. So yeah, very pleased with our purchase.